can swap this from one way to the other so you can see me and then see what I'm doing. I just haul in the big heavy load. And I film it, I think so. Yeah. So today I'm hauling a Traco, big Traco on a 16-wheel lowboy, coming down to this valley here because we got some flooding and they need to dig out all the trees that are pushing in against the bridge. That's my understanding. I tell you, this is a heavy pull. It's been a long, yeah, lots of times I'm in low gear on this road. Anyway, so I'll see if I can. Oh boy, it's a noisy radio. I'm gonna put her on pause, probably show you a little bit of the creek, and then maybe get to unload, watch the hoe get unloaded, and then get working as well. See how it goes. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. But I think I better pause it so I can drive here. It's easy going at this point, but it's kind of a pretty valley, really. So I'm crossing the bridge and then unloading on the other side. So it looked like it's
unloading that wide load right at the bridge then there? Yeah, we'll be on the inside corner. Okay, I'll keep making my way that way. I'm 12 wide, but I can just wait for you guys close there.
Well, it's not backed up nearly as bad as I thought. Lots of wood and crap to clean up. That's kind of interesting. Hopefully you get to watch it all happen. Anyway, there's a little bit down below me there. Oh yeah, there's a bunch. Anyway, we'll get stopped here and get unloaded since I'm supposed to be driving instead of being the video man and the driver. Okay, here we are, getting him unloaded. I'll pause it, maybe he doesn't want to be in the movie. Well, I guess maybe he does. So should I edit you out there? I got like 3,000 subscribers now, so you could go famous, right? You want me to announce that you're single or anything? I think. We'll find out, eh? I tell you, she was a heavy load coming in. It just... That's a big load. Yeah. Yeah, they're a little heavier than a 290. Okay, well, I go back the trailer out of the way now. Okay, so now I'm gonna back my trailer into there and then see what happens. So here's the spot to clean up. This is the bridge we just drove across. So this country is pretty. This is a good camping spot, I would think, but we're not sure how deep the water's gonna be. Anyway, we'll have a peek and see how it turns out, I guess. Trying to clear this stuff out. Sorry, I wasn't holding the camera right, watching with my eyes. It's all backed up against here, but you can get a couple more things coming through. It'll probably start to flow. Floating mass. Between last night and this morning, when we got here, the last night the wood was all the way over to the other gravel bar. and it washed a chunk of it around, so it's not nearly hung up like it was. You can just reach. A lot of stuff floating there. If you could get over here and clean that stuff over here, if you could break it free, you'd be good, but I don't think you could reach it. Ah, get it out and around. So close to falling apart. If you get 3 or 4 feet further, you'd be way better off, but not very far from the riverbank now, so.